Hi everyone! Today I would love to share one of my most favorite weeknight dinners. I started making this recipe when Charlotte was about 8 months old. It was one of her favorites and it remains one of her favorites. It's great for grown-ups, it's great for little kids, and it uses mostly pantry staples so you can make it at any time. One of the hardest things as a mom is getting everyone ready to run out of the house to go to the grocery store. So I love to be able to have a whole meal that I can make pretty much out of the pantry or staples that I can keep in the fridge for a long time. We almost always have onions, we almost always have carrots, and those are kind of the only fresh ingredients you need. This recipe also lends itself really well to different mix-ins. Sometimes I'll add broccoli or zucchini if I have extra vegetables on hand. It's great on its own, but it's also really good served with hot sauce or Greek yogurt. It's just a great base soup recipe that you can kind of customize to make it taste however you like. A lot of the time when I think about pantry meals or freezer meals, they can tend to be not as nutritious, but there's all good stuff in here.
Take another scoop.
Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye!